Is it time to buy or sell Costco stock? In this video, we will explore Costco in depth. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Costco as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 1.34. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of negative 0.21%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.1% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of negative 2.06% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 5.08% to positive 2.4%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our analysis over the next 12 months projects a change of 5.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 3.25% to 24.6% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price between $973.98 and $1,175.35. Our latest daily update for Costco includes the headline, "Red Day on Thursday for Costco stock after losing 0.207%. The Costco stock price fell by 0.207% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, declining from $945.27 to $943.31. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.86%, ranging from a low of $935.62 to a high of $953. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, and is down by 2.18% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 1 million shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly heightened risk over the next couple of days. In total, 3 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.76 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $1,078.23, while the lowest was $867.16. Currently, the price sits 12.51%, or $134.92, below the 52-week high of $1,078.23, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Costco reported fiscal fourth quarter earnings per share of $5.87, exceeding the consensus expectation of $5.81 and rising from $5.15 a year ago. Comparable sales increased by approximately 5.7%, while full-year revenue grew by 8.1%. Management indicated that the extended hours for executive members contributed roughly 1% to weekly sales. The chain is also opening new locations and attracting younger shoppers through faster digital options, trendier merchandise, and affordably priced food. The market reaction was subdued as some sales metrics fell short of certain Wall Street expectations, resulting in limited share price increases in a declining market. However, the headline figures and resilient comparable sales highlight robust demand for essential items. In the short term, we can expect modest upward pressure tempered by volatility. Investors will closely analyze sales patterns, margin mix, and any adjustments to guidance, which may lead to the stock trading within a narrow range as the market processes these details. Looking to the longer term, membership growth, store expansion, and enhanced digital engagement are likely to support steady revenue and recurring cash flow, which should bolster valuation and capital returns. While risks remain, including competition, macroeconomic weakness, and margin challenges, the results underscore Costco's defensive and cash-generating profile over time. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Cost an overweight grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Telsey Advisory also rated Cost with a hold grade and a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, Evercore ISI provided Cost with an outperform grade alongside a hold recommendation. On that same day, Loop Capital Markets gave Cost a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, Telsey Advisory again rated Cost as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Costco stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Costco. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025, and so far, it has risen by a small fraction. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Some negative signals were also issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Costco stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $948.86 and $962. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, trading volume increased while prices fell, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Costco. Costco finds support from accumulated volume at $943.26. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $17.38 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 1.86%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Costco, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors are anticipating substantial growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 25th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.81. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Costco. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Costco is at $943.60. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Costco faces its first support level at $943.26. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Costco from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On September 23, 2025, Miller Russell D. executed an insider purchase of 2,918 shares of common stock. On September 23, 2025, Miller Russell D. also executed an insider sale of 2,918 shares of common stock. On September 10, 2025, Rubenenko Yoram conducted an insider purchase of 4,219 shares of common stock. On September 10, 2025, Rubenenko Yoram also conducted an insider sale of 1,745,913 shares of common stock. On September 10, 2025, Riel Pierre executed an insider purchase of 4,654 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 1.787. In total, insiders acquired 79,966 shares, while selling 79,725 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there's no stop loss established. Is Costco stock a good buy? Currently, Costco exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a declining trend, leading us to anticipate continued weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis reveals that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 26th of September, we expect Costco to open higher by approximately 667/10,000ths and begin trading at 943 and 9800ths. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.